This is Speedboat. Go, 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 go. Okay, and today I will show you how to make a speedboat like this one. Okay, you see that? Do you like it? Okay, let's do it together. Okay, the first I have the A4 paper, and now let's follow me one step by step. Okay, step by step. Okay, the first you fold to the left. Okay, after that you fold the paper to the right. Okay, one more step. You see like edge or cross, you fold like this. Okay, and open it, and one more step. Okay, you fold like this, one more. Okay, okay, you see that? The first fold like this, and like this, like this. Okay, one more step, open it, and you take it like this one. Okay, wait. See that? Okay. Okay, after that you do like me. Okay, that left and right in. Okay, 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 one more step, you fold like this. Okay, and get it to the back. Okay, okay, one more step. Okay, one more step, you pull like this, left and right. You see, left and right. Okay, you see that? Okay, after that you pull like this. You see that? Okay, one more on the left. Okay, more, open it and open it. Okay, you fold like this. Okay, the same. Okay, do like this. Okay, and one more, do like this too. Okay, you see that? Okay, get it the back. Okay, you open it and back. Okay, one more. Fold the half of it. Okay. Okay, you see that? Okay, one more. Okay, your hand do like this and you get like this. Okay. Okay, one more, the same. Okay, do the same like this, you see that? Okay, then okay. Okay, one more step. When you do like this already, okay, you fold like this. Okay, you see that? After that, okay, your right hand to take like this, and then okay, you see that? You put it to like this. One more, the same. Okay. Okay. All right. You can prepare it something like the boat. Okay. And one more step. You open this paper. Okay. When you open already, you see like this. You put it to in. Okay. Put it to in. Okay. Now we got it. We got the boat. Okay. All right. We got the boat. Alright, now we are all ready to make a speedboat. You see that? Speedboat. Okay. Okay, everyone. Hope you guys can do it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more video. Thank you for your watching. I hope you guys like my video. I will try to create more video about it.